In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the I'm busy challenge on TikTok. Okay, so I'm just going to play a video of the challenge so you know what it is, and this is the clip right here.
Hi, darling.
Hi, Mum. I'm a bit busy at the moment. Can I call you back?
Yeah, did you not call? What?
Hey, buddy. I'm a bit busy. Can I call you back?
Why'd you ring me?
So that's pretty fun, right? So to do this challenge, all you need to do is FaceTime your friend and then say you're busy when they answer. So on an iPhone, you can either use FaceTime, but I'm on an Android device that doesn't have FaceTime. So what I can do is I can use an app like Instagram, and then I can go to my messages, and then I can select a friend that I want to do the challenge with. And then all I need to do is start a video call. And then once they answer the call, you say you're busy and then hang up. So he's obviously not going to answer. Hang up the call. But you want to go ahead and repeat that process with like 3 or 4 friends. So you have a series of clips, and you obviously want to make sure that you're screen recording your screen while you're doing this. And you can do this with the built-in screen recorder on an iPhone. If you're on an Android device, you can go to the Play Store and you can search for an app called AZ Video Recorder. And it's this app right here. You can just install it and then screen record all of the calls. And then once you've gotten the clips, you want to go onto TikTok. Then you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom to create a new TikTok. Then you want to tap on the upload button at the bottom right. Then you want to go ahead and select the clips that you just recorded. So I have 3 example clips that I just recorded for an example. Then you want to tap on next at the bottom right. Then you want to tap on next once they've loaded into the editor at the top right. And for this challenge, you don't want to add any sounds to the TikTok. You can just maybe add some text and emojis onto the screen. You want to tap next at the bottom right. And then you want to tap on next at the bottom right. And then you can go ahead and give your TikTok a description. So I'll just write lol. Then you want to make sure that you use the hashtag I'm busy. And then it says I'm busy challenge. That third one, you want to tag I'm busy challenge. Then you can also tag FYP for you page. And hashtags again, and then you can select For You page. Those are the 3 recommended hashtags for this challenge. You can also select your cover. I'll just select any old random clip, but you want to select the best frame from the video. Tap on the save button at the top, and then once all that's done, you just tap on the post button at the bottom right, and then you've successfully done the I'm busy challenge on TikTok. So if this was fun and if this video tutorial helped you out, then go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.